Before you buy Convertri for your landing pages, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll compare it to other top tools like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, and Unbounce, so you can decide if Convertri is the right choice for you. First, Convertri is all about speed. Unlike some competitors that can feel sluggish, Convertri loads pages lightning fast, which can boost your conversion rates. However, keep in mind that while speed is a priority, it might not offer as many built-in templates as some alternatives like Lead Pages. Next thing, Convertri's drag and drop builder is solid, but doesn't offer the same level of ease and flexibility as tools like ClickFunnels. While it's certainly user-friendly, the learning curve can be a bit steeper than some of the competition, especially if you're new to building landing pages. The third thing you should know is that Convertri's design options, while good, aren't as polished as those of its competitors. It offers a fair amount of customization, but may not appeal to those looking for a completely pre-designed, professional feel right out of the box, like what you might get with Unbounce. The fourth thing, Convertri's pricing is very competitive. It starts at a lower price point than most major competitors like ClickFunnels and Lead Pages, making it a solid option for those on a budget. But you get what you pay for, so don't expect the same level of support or features. Now, let's talk about integrations. While Convertri supports the major email and CRM integrations, it's not as extensive as what you'll find with ClickFunnels. So, if you need a lot of integrations with third-party tools, you might find it limiting compared to other platforms. The sixth thing is that Convertri offers advanced features like A/B testing, but it's not as intuitive as the options in Unbounce or Lead Pages. If you're someone who really values easy-to-use split testing, other platforms may give you a smoother experience. Next, Convertri has solid customer support, but it's not quite as robust as what you'll get with ClickFunnels or Lead Pages. If you need 24/7 assistance, you might be better off with the bigger platforms. However, for the price, Convertri does provide decent support. The eighth thing is the lack of a built-in affiliate program. If you're looking to run an affiliate marketing program alongside your landing pages, you'll need to rely on third-party software. This is a huge benefit of using platforms like ClickFunnels, which has affiliate management built in. The ninth thing to consider is mobile responsiveness. Convertri does a good job ensuring your pages look great on mobile, but it's not quite as flawless as Lead Pages or Unbounce. If mobile optimization is a top priority for you, other tools may serve you better. Next thing, Convertri's dashboard is simple, but its design can feel a bit basic. If you want something with a more modern, polished interface, Unbounce and ClickFunnels might be more appealing, as their dashboards are more visually intuitive. The 11th thing to note is that Convertri's page builder works great for most types of landing pages, but isn't as versatile when it comes to building complex funnels. If your needs go beyond just landing pages, platforms like ClickFunnels may be a better choice since they offer full funnel building capabilities. Finally, Convertri provides a decent set of analytics, but it's not as deep or comprehensive as what you'll get with platforms like Unbounce. So, if you need detailed, granular analytics, you may find yourself wanting more from Convertri. Convertri is a good option for landing pages, especially if you're looking for speed at a competitive price. However, if you want a more comprehensive and user-friendly solution, check out our recommended alternative, which you can try for free.